Moving forward with our bathroom renovation, we purchased the Cadet Com-Pak model 67450. Came with the cover, the can, which goes inside the wall, and also the motor and the housing. It's supposed to heat up to 100 square feet. I had to purchase the switch because it does not come with the switch. We installed a breaker for the two heaters, one on one side, one on the other side. We're leaving them off because I guess there's some trickle electric effect which we're not using it in the summer months. But let's turn it on just so we can go upstairs and show you how it works. So step 2 of our bathroom creation is we already got step 1, the switches in. Then we bought 2 of these Com-Pak 720 watt, 250 volt space heaters. I think they're specifically made for bathrooms. We had to buy the switches separately from the heater. This is the second one that we hooked up. We've got a dedicated switch going down there. And again, we bought the heater. You can get it also from Amazon or Lowe's. We purchased it from Lowe's, but you can get it on Amazon. There's a link below. But we bought both of the switches from Amazon. And we've got the switch on down there. And I can feel the warm air coming inside. Already. Really good for the winter months. And turn it off. Save on heating bill. Don't have to heat the entire house just because I want to warm up the one room.